Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the kernels and safety gear, then begin breaking shells immediately. Once heated to 60 to 80 degrees for 10 minutes, the shells loosen and you can crack them with a hammer or manual press. Make sure to work on a sturdy surface and use short controlled blows to avoid smashing the kernels. As you separate shell fragments, keep a sieve nearby to collect clean kernels and discard debris, because clean nuts improve pressed oil quality and reduce contamination. Once you have clean kernels, grind them into a coarse paste. You use a mortar, grinder, or processor depending on tools available. After grinding, add about 5 to 10% warm water and knead the paste. This helps oil droplets coalesce and separate. Next, gently heat the mash to 70 to 80 degrees. This reduces viscosity and makes pressing easier. Make sure to stir occasionally for even warmth, and test a small portion to confirm oil begins to bead before moving to pressing. You now press the warmed mash through a cloth or mechanical press. Collect the raw oil in a clean container and strain out solids immediately. Once done, allow the oil to settle for 12 to 24 hours so heavier sediment sinks and clearer oil rises. Decant or siphon the top layer into storage jars. If yield seems low, reheat the mash and press again, and make sure no shells or large pieces remained, because uncracked shells reduce extraction efficiency. This is the key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.